Dear future, I've been thinking about you a lot lately. You carry so many secrets, and that's what makes you so exciting. Not just the little things, like what I'm getting for my birthday, or how many mosquito bites I'll get this summer. But also, about what the world will be like when I grow up. I know our resources are not infinite, and that we have to take better care of nature, of the seas, and of all creatures living on this earth. I'm thinking about all the technical solutions that allow us humans to experience life in a way that wasn't possible before. There must be a way for technology to help us to steer you, the future, in the right direction. Because I want to travel and see the world without guilt, meet people, and build strong relations. Because if we can relate to each other, then we can work together, to be better together, so that one day I'll be able to live in a house that's made of sustainable material, recycling whatever products I use in a sustainable way. To have a job with sustainable working conditions, so that I can live to see my children and grandchildren grow up with the same possibilities to experience life as I have. Dear future, all I'm asking for is a sign that we are on the right path.